We live in a world that is more connected than ever. Yet, we often find ourselves separated by what I call the cultural fog. We communicate, but are we truly understood? During our upcoming session, we are going to peel back the layers. First, we will define what culture actually is and how it works, the invisible software that runs our interactions. Then we are moving straight into the realm of cross-cultural communication. It's not just about learning do's and don'ts. It's about shifting your perspective. We will explore how you can become a more effective, empathetic communicator across any cultural boundary. My goal is simple: to help you enhance your CQ, your cultural quotient. In today's global landscape, a high CQ isn't just an asset. It's a necessity for modern leadership and collaboration. This isn't a lecture. This is a fully interactive experience. I want you to come ready to engage, to share, and enjoy the process of discovery. Join me on May 23rd, right in Halifax, Nova Scotia. Let's clear the fog together. I'm looking forward to seeing you there.